Hello, my name is Ted and my plane tickets are booked. I will be at Utah Airguns competition this year. I've already had a small glimpse at it and it's a fresh new take, a lot of new ideas. There'll be new conditions. Heck, I've never even been to Utah, so I am psyched and I will absolutely be there. I hope you are too.
Hey guys, Matt W here from South Africa. Our sport is growing and we've got some really exciting stuff coming up. On the 21st to the 23rd of June 2018, we've got the Rocky Mountain Airgun Challenge happening in Utah, and it's going to be awesome for a number of reasons. Firstly, there are going to be some disciplines that have not been featured before in competitions like this. We're going to have stuff that we know, like the 100-yard Benchrest, but we're also going to have new stuff like a PRS-style competition with airguns, which I think is going to be fantastic. I'm going to be there. There's going to be guys from all over the world that are going to be there, and I hope to see you there. You can go to Utah Airguns website to register, and it's going to be awesome.
Shooters ready.
Yep.
Stand by. Fire.